man? You pick or you buy ice cream? Huh? You pick blueberries open today. Uy, cherry. Cauliflower. Pink, saka dilaw, saka purple.
Strawberries or blueberries?
Blueberries. Oo nga, nagpintasan. Dapat glacier na dyan nga to. Sapol na pag-ayaman da George. Maginda yung dan. Ha? Kanakal, tag-picking ta. Pick. Mag-picking tayo.
I was going over there. I thought you were over there.
Ang ganda ng kahoy, oh. Kiwi. Yung cherry niya, oh. Yan. Pwedeng pre-eat. Matamis yan.
Yung biglaan
Blueberry picking kami ngayon, guys. Napalayo pa kami nag-picking ng blueberry. Pemberton. Yun si tita, oh.
Ay, Diyos ko po, matagal palang mag-picking.
Ay, matagal. Kasi pagka nasira mo, pipit.
I love picking.
Okay.
Too. It's just more common for the big ones to be sour.
Okay, picking.
To not be sour. No, this one. Good? Good?
Ang daming bunga, oh. Sarap mo pala sa Uncle Mar. Oh.
Hindi ako makakain dito eh.
Si cheese. Oh. Si Uncle.
You're not supposed to eat it straight out.
Why? It's not dirty.
Not the whole thing.
It is dirty.
No.
You didn't. It wasn't washed.
If it's rain, it wash.
Yeah, it was by rain.
Yeah. How do you know after the rain, a fly went in?
They're sick with the smell. You see any fly? Come on, show me.
There.
If you can show me fly right now,
There.
I believe you.
There.
No, I didn't see any here in front of us.
Bunga natin blueberry, oh. Pre-picking, guys. Tsaka pre-eat ulit. Oh, nakarami ka natin.
Ayun.
Punuin mo daw yan. Ayan, get some. Try to eat. Oh.
Dami pang, no? Dami pang tumutubo. Hello?
Alagay mo, tita, wala?
Wala, yung kay Emily.
Oo.
Hindi naman kami makakaubos to.
Makaraming rangkal.
Oo, puno na.
Dapat 5 pounds ang mapik mo.
Puno na eh.
Bunga ti blueberry niyo.
May spray na gitu.
Napakarami oh. Uy, ano malamang.
Ba't ka mati ka ng bili ya?
Maumadaan na ka daw. Hindi daw makagwanta.
Nga ta?
Ang dami pa nahuhulog. Ganito kadaming blueberry mamunga oh. Nahuhulog lang dyan oh. Say cheese. Kami nag hotel ngayon guys oh. Airbnb siya. Sa Whistler oh. British Columbia. Layawang kami nga duwa eh. Layawang kami nga duwa. Yan, pagkatapos namin maggala, mag-sauna muna kami. Yan. Guto lolo imang mag-picture kayo. Yan. Everyone is here. Yan. Oh. Swim. It's cold. If you cold, you go back, okay? Good boy. Yan, tiramihan sila doon. Oh, kumusta ang sauna pat? Libre yan, walang bayad. Eh, si Kuya Melchor, oh, talagang pawis na boys.